Alright, so MakerBot is sending me a new motherboard as mine was DOA, and so we're gonna get going with building the case here. I've already done this once, but I did it wrong, so don't make my same mistake. So here's the centerpiece. Look for the M. Your bolts are going to go down on the same side as your M, and you're going to put one of these mounting brackets on each corner. And so note the extra round piece here. That's going to go on the right when you're done. And like I said, I messed mine all up. So here we go. Let's try this again, and we're going to go ahead and tighten all this down and get building the case. Okay, these are all on, and now we're going to do the sides. So take note that the MakerBot side here, with my logo facing outward, the extra hole needs to be on the right. So that's not clearly labeled, and the first time I did that, I did it backwards. So you're going to have your MakerBot and then this extra hole here on that side. And so we'll go ahead and do this, and then we'll do the other sides. And they should be pretty self-explanatory from that point. Alright, well, I guess my camera doesn't like videos over 20 minutes. And lo and behold, it's taken me over 20 minutes. So, make sure you get everything correctly on all your sides. And make sure you double check that you have all your bolts tightened. You don't have to go back and redo all this stuff later. So anyway, on the right side, make sure you have your MakerBot logo. On the right side, make sure your panel with the opening on the side is to the back. And mine says motherboard on the outside. And then on the top, the writing is down below and the holes are up front. Yeah, and on the inside, make sure your centerpiece, the hole is on the right hand side, and on the left you have the little slash. So okay, there is our case, and next up is going to be the control arms and the pulleys. So just make sure you double check all your bolts, and we'll pick up from there. And hopefully my next video will be under 20 minutes and my camera won't shut off.